Hello, second graders. Hopefully, you have listened to the story twice and you are ready to get started on your respond to reading questions. Now, your instructions ask that you answer these questions in complete sentences and that you use your PQA strategy. If you remember, PQA stands for part of your question in your answer. And so, what we mean by this is when we read the question, we want to use some of those same words to make sure that our answer is, in fact, a complete sentence and that we are responding to the question completely and directly. So, you should have a paper just like this ready to go. I have my yellow paper with my questions here as well, and I'm going to number my answers on my paper. So I'm going to start here at number 1. I'm going to put a little number 1 and a period, and then I'm going to check who were the characters in this book and where does the story take place. So a great way to start this answer would be to start with the characters in this book are the characters in this book are. Notice that I'm using my best handwriting, that I'm using these lines to guide the size and shape of my letters, that my sticky uppies are sticking up all the way to the top line. That one's a little short, we'll fix it. But I'm doing my best to make sure that I'm using those lines to do my best handwriting. Then I'll answer my question, blah, 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 blah. The characters in this book are duck. I don't want to give away too many answers because I want you to be doing your best thinking, but you'll fill in your answer here, and please remember to include a period. Then you can answer the second part in a separate sentence. So you could say, the story takes place. Where does the story take place? Now notice if I have a letter that needs to go below the line, that I'm letting it go below the line. The story takes place, and you can answer that question. Now, I gave you 2 pages to do this writing, so you can add your second sentence when you're ready, right there on the line. Make sure you number, and then you can go on from there. Now, this should say, what problem did Duck have at the beginning of the story? But because I'm a human being, I made a mistake, and I apologize. Continue on that way. Make sure you are answering those questions carefully with capital letters, punctuation, and part of your question in your answer. I know you'll do great. Bye.